Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you how to make an egg and Montreal Smoked Meat McMuffin. First thing you gotta do is you take the English muffin into 2 slices. Take it apart for 2 slices. I'm talking about, yeah. And then you crack the eggs and put them in the cup, and the eggshells go in the compost. And then you get the paper towel. And you put the eggs on for 2 minutes until they are completely cooked. And you add some Smoky Bacon Mayo creamy style onto the English muffins and put back in the fridge. Now, what you do is you put the Montreal smoked meat on one of the English muffins. Then after that, you put the Montreal smoked meat back in the fridge so it doesn't spoil. And let's go check on the eggs. Okay, it's almost down to 30 seconds. We're waiting very patiently. And after that, you take the eggs out of the microwave. Tastes pretty good. And then put the egg on top of the English smoked meat, and then last but not least, here you put the English muffin on top of the eggs, and voila, here is the egg and Montreal smoked meat McMuffin. Enjoy it, folks, and thank you for watching. Happy holidays, by the way, and happy